recover. Nagsalita na yung technical committee head natin, yung ating kasama dito sa PBA na si Coach Eric Castro. He explained the situation extensively. It's something that the Elasto Painters can take and use to their advantage. So now, yung balik, poste si De La Rosa. Pero pagbalik
down on the floor, opening an opportunity for Bird to rise high.
Ito yung gustong ginagawa ng Rain or Shine nung elimination round sa kanilang mga kalaban. If they force a turn. Because in the elimination round, itong Magnolia was close to 30%. And speaking of Paul Lee, finally,
JP, pero babalikan natin yung sinabi mo, Coach RG. They have to move forward. Ebay, hitting another 4.
How fast can you move?
Right. And when you are coming off of a heartbreaking loss, katulad na nangyari sa Magnolia in Game 3, you can respond in 2 ways, di ba? Are you also gonna be disheartened? Get past Junicio. Bird against Clarito. And one opportunity for Magnolia.
A bad decision by Clarito that time. I thought he would just allow Bird to score 2 points. But in the last second, tumabik pa siya, kaya siya natawagan ng foul. Third na naipakita itong Rain or Shine. But good thing now, yung bang going close to the basket, just making sure na makashoot.
Abueva might have advantage against Karakut. Ito si The Beast, gets it to fall.
And that is where they are supposed to go. Simplify the point of attack on the offense. If you don't need to move that.
Phoenix, pangilinan Lemeti for the first time. Fuller gets the ball back. Puts it off the glass and in.
Sayang yung chance na yun dahil nakaagaw na si Abueva. Akala niya pag binato niya.
Bird sa ilalim, labas kay Junicio, tres ang bibitawan. That's good again for Magnolia.
Yan ang pagkakaiba. Another unselfish pass there by Bird. Binalik na lang.
They'll have the fourth quarter coming up, pero gusto na mag-build na momentum ng Rain or Shine. But Paul Lee has other plans.
Nawala yung defense. Si Ian Sanggalang doon rin. Attacking once again. Ang ganda ng timing natin dito. Pag pinag-uusapan natin si Ian Sanggalang, nakakaskor siya. 10 points in this ball game for the big man.
Impactful. Here he is again, The Beast. To Jabari Bird. Do they count it? They count the basket.
This is a well-played series, meaning kita naman natin yung adjustments ng ating mga coaches.
Ito wala nang kaduda-duda. That is a three-point play opportunity.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunalo.